Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Solvers. Here I want to solve this for x, where we have log base 2 of 4 to the power of x plus 15 equals x plus 3. So this is a good question if you are preparing for GRE or GMAT, and its difficulty level is medium. So let's see how can we solve this. Well, in the first step, I would apply this rule, which says if we have log base b of a equals c, then we can conclude that a equals b to the power of c. Okay, and we can also say if we have a equals b to the power of c, then we can say c equals log base b of a. So this is true. So if I apply that here, well, this is c and this is a and this base is b. So I can rewrite this as, I can rewrite the whole expression as 4 to the power of x plus 15 equals x plus 3. Oh, sorry, equals 2 to the power of x plus 3. Okay. And we know when we have 2 to the power of x plus 3, this equals 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 3. And 2 to the power of 3 is 8, so this is 8. So I can say this equals 8 times 2 to the power of x. So let me replace that here. Well, we have 4 to the power of x plus 15 equals 8 times 2 to the power of x. Okay. Well, in the next step, I will take everything from the right side to the left side, so we can rewrite this as 4 to the power of x plus 15 minus 8 times 2 to the power of x is 0. Okay, maybe I can get rid of this. Well, here I'm trying to see if I can rewrite this in the format of 2 to the power of x or not. Well, the good thing here is that since we have 4 to the power of x, I can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x. And this equals 2 to the power of 2 times x. And we know 2 to the power of 2 times x equals 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x. So you see that I could write this 4 to the power of x in the format of 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of x. And this is very important because now I can assume that this one is, let me label it as alpha. Okay, then here we have alpha squared. We have 4 to the power of x equals alpha squared, where we have defined alpha equals 2 to the power of x. So I can rewrite this as alpha squared plus 15 minus 8 times, and instead of 2 to the power of x, I can replace that by alpha. Okay, and this is very important. Well, here I transform this to alpha squared minus 15 plus 8 times alpha equals 0. So I think that you can solve the rest because it's now very easy to find what is x. How? Well, here I can rewrite this, the whole expression, as alpha minus 3 times alpha minus 5, okay, equals 0. And this is telling me that alpha is either 3 or alpha is either 5 or 3. So good, we know what is alpha, but we were not looking for alpha. We were looking for 2 to the power of x. But, sorry, we were looking for x. But we know that alpha is 2 to the power of x. And this is very important because I can rewrite this as x equals log base 2 of alpha. Okay, we saw that rule like 2 minutes ago. We use this in a different way, but now it's time to use it in this way and say, okay, if we have this, then we can say x is log base 2 of alpha. And this is telling me that if alpha is 3, then we can conclude that x is a log of 3 log base 2 of 3, and if alpha is 5, then x is log base 2 of 5, okay? And well, either this is correct or this is correct, so we need to check the answers, that the choices that we have, and you see that the first one match with this one, so we found the answer.